how does the client know exactly what is getting cleaned?
Yeah, so like during the consultation, we've noticed that we have to kind of let our clients know, sort of educate them. I mean,
Yeah.
everybody needs to understand, yeah, what is expected of the cleaners, so that even we are training properly, and then we're educating our clients properly of what's getting done. And then also too, if so, we'll have a checklist. We walk through the home and we say, okay, in this room we'll do this, this, and this, and this. If you
Okay.
want something extra, just let us know. And so
Yeah.
we adjust that way. um, but yeah, so we have checklists obviously available for our cleaners all the time. But
Mhm.
if clients want that to just have for their own reference, they can absolutely request that upon. But also on our what's it called, the when we bring a consultation, on the form that our clients will fill out, that they get a
Mhm.
copy of, the
Yeah.
quote, it has what's included in the basic package.
Mhm.
So, working down appliances, garbages, microwave, all those things like that.